Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align a text box to the right in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text. You can increase the font size. Now you want to align the text box to the right side. Select the text again, click and drag on your mouse and select the alignment right. You can align middle, otherwise center, left, etc. Now I make left and middle. Now we can see we align text box to the right in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.